talk about why doing things for other people is more rewarding than anyone else. Why? Because doing things other people is when you genuinely help them, you feel it's more rewarding than anyone else. It's you feel that defy you more, and it's quite stunning. Doing something for other people is actually quite stunning because it is you who give effort. It is you who doing the best for others, and it's another experience for us that define us and satisfies us, and you feel more rewarding about it. So napakasarap sa pakiramdam na when you doing something for other people, you feel genuinely happy kasi you know to yourself that you do the best thing not for yourself. You are not focusing for yourself, you are focusing for other people, and that is the best. That is always the best thing that we can do. When we help other people genuinely, it defines us who we are, and napakasarap sa pakaramdam. And even the Bible says it's more on focusing on helping other people rather than helping yourself. It's more love to other people rather than more love to yourself, and it is more stunning, it is rewarding. Yung pakiramdam na it's more rewarding, that is the best thing that we feel every time that we help people, at walang makakapantay nun, walang ibang makakagawa na, walang ibang happiness ang mararamdaman mo when you helping other people. Let's continue genuinely helping other people with all our heart, not focusing on the rewarding of because you are being acknowledged by other people. No, but focusing on truly helping other people with all your heart. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.